Now, when it comes to washing our fruits and vegetables, often the most heavily sprayed fruits are the ones with the most delicate skins. Now, that means that our fruit and vegetable wash needs to be gentle and needs to be super effective. And that is where Chamomile dishwashing liquid is the very best choice you can make in a fruit and vegetable wash. So all we need to do is grab your produce, dunk it. You can either give it a good rub or you can use a really soft brush like I'm using. Just give it a good rub over and then a rinse and then out, and it's done. So there's no lengthy soaking to be done. And also you're not using solutions like vinegar, which will actually damage the integrity of the skin of delicate fruits, which will reduce the shelf life of your produce. So it's super easy and no bad taste either.